Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth. I teach the stock market. I'm a stock market researcher, and I've discovered that the stock market is the only way, or rather one of the many ways. And for me and the people in my Telegram group, I'm telling them the stock market is the best way for us to grow wealth. Today's topic is this: how do you find the information, the company information? If you want to invest in a given company, let's say you want to invest in Safaricom, or you want to invest in Equity Bank, or you want to invest in KCB, how will you find information about KCB? Where do you get the information? So that you make a decision. The easiest way to get information is from the company's website. A company's website, like Kengen, for example, it has information. There's a section called Investor Relations. A company like BAT, for example, there's a section called Investor Relations. Now let's take Kengen. Now this section called Investor Relations, it has information about the dividends, how much dividend are they paying. It has information about financial statements, the balance sheet, the earnings. It has information about the annual reports. It has information about many things that relate to a company. And this company, and these many things, that means many documents, one of them being balance sheet and annual reports, you are able then to tell how has the company been doing. You are able to tell how has the balance sheet, how has the growth been. Is this company making profit? Is this company in debt? Is this company growing the earnings? Is this company growing the profits? Is this company growing generally? How is the cost of sales, for example? So from the website, you can get a lot of information about a company. The other place you need to check to get information about the company is the Nairobi Securities Exchange website. The Nairobi Securities Exchange website demands that all companies that invest in the NSE submit to them regularly financial documents. So once a while, these companies will submit the annual reports. Once a while, they'll submit the balance sheets. Once a while, they'll submit, if they're paying out dividends, they'll submit dividend notice. And also, if they're making losses, they will also submit profit warnings so that investors who are not interested in holding the shares can sell. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new here, join our Telegram group. I have a group where we talk about the stock market 24/7. The shares to buy, the shares to sell, and a lot of information relating to the stock market. If you are new here, join the group. So I repeat, 2 places to get information. 1 from the company's website, 2 from the Nairobi Securities Exchange website. Then there are other websites like My Stocks. My Stocks has a lot of this information that relates to companies. Of course, other Kenyans are also coming up with other websites where you can get information. And I will be updating you as time goes by, or as more Kenyans become prominent in dispensing the information about the stock market. Thank you so much. If you're new here, subscribe. There's a red button, subscribe. Next to the red button, there's a bell notification. Click on the bell notification so that every time I upload a video, you get alerts. See you in the next video. Share this video with your friends. If you have a stock market question relating to the stock market, please post it down there. I will answer all stock market questions. Bye bye and see you in the next video. Asante.